So you'll probably notice the E36 that I've got has not moved in quite a while, hence the overgrown grass. So I recently installed a new fuel pump in it about, I don't know, a couple months ago. Done hardly any work. It's probably been driven up and down the driveway a handful of times to wash it or to do a bit of work. Anyway, it failed. So I was going to buy another fuel pump. I pulled the fuel pump apart, the actual fuel pump assembly in, and everything looked good. Tested power and ground. The fuel pump harness was all good. It was getting power to the plug connector, but it just wasn't working. So I was now on the hunt for another fuel pump. Unfortunately, the original fuel pump was a bit over 6 months old and there was only 6 months warranty on it. So there's nothing I can do there. So anyway, I started looking for a new fuel pump and I came across quite a few different options and I found this absolute bargain. It's a new fuel pump assembly that's got the bucket with a filter, the pump, the level sensor, all new hoses from eBay, and it was really cheap. This was about $40 or $38 from memory, so I thought I'd give it a go. So today we're gonna put this in and see if it works. So here's the old one. You can just tell that it's just all brittle and starting to fall apart. It's all rusty. Looks like the level sensor's quite worn out as well. You can see the markings on there. The actual level on the gauge was a bit inconsistent, but I guess that makes sense now. The wiring job I did, unfortunately, it's not very good. And here's a new one. It just looks so much better. And considering that this was like 40 bucks or something, then, you know, this is an absolute bargain. So let's throw it in. This is only a temporary measure, you shouldn't do this. I just don't have the special fuel hose clamp that you're meant to use, but... Alright, let's see if we can hear the fuel pump click on. Well, it's definitely working. See if it fires up. Wow. It's funny what a good fuel pump will do to a car. As you can tell, it's been sitting for ages. It smells a bit weird. So yeah, we've got a roll cage coming for this really soon. See if I can open that from here. Oh, very nice. There's still a water leak somewhere. There's a lot of water in here, it's pretty bad. Oh, looks like we might have a slight leak. Probably just need to put a hose clamp on it. That's enough to get me out of jail for the moment. Yeah, soon we're gonna have a full cage in here, which is really exciting. It runs so much better with this fuel pump. I mean, the old fuel pump was just dying. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Check out the store at shopmcgarage.com and I'll see you in the next video.